you up. Welcome to the 2010 San Diego County Fair's first annual cattle drive. Next year, right down the center of the city of Del Mar. Oh boy.
Now, folklore has it that Del Mar was the home of the Longhorns. We're about to find out as we recreate that roundup right here, right now on Show Jumping Unplugged TV. Join us. Come on, let's take the ride.
Head that are going to be coming into here, and you've got about 20 Longhorns in that group and 30 big steers in that group. They're going to be bringing them in, and any minute.
Now should we go back to where our cattle is?
Do that.
We're gonna make a turn.
I never thought in 1,000 years, number one, I'd ride a horse on the track of Del Mar, let alone drive cattle.
That's the good part. Oh, good morning. What's for breakfast? Ranch breakfast cereal.
This is the best horse the guy could have.
Well, it's supposed to be fun, you know?
I am the producer of the Roger Hedgecock Show.
There you go.
And was asked to come out about a month ago. I was asked to come out and decided that going for a horseback ride before work isn't a bad idea.
Good morning. You're watching Show Jumping Unplugged TV, and it's the first annual Del Mar Cattle Drive.
For the deep fried butter and chocolate covered bacon.
That's my snack for later.
Having fun, Tammy.
It gets better and better.
Hey, some new things we hear at the fair. The wide open range over yonder.
as good as it gets. I just told Tim it's a great way to start the week at Del Mar.
Did you ever think you'd be on a cattle drive in Del Mar?
You know, really, honestly, no. Next year, I think we'll do the running of the bulls right down the center of Del Mar. What do you think?
We're in. We're in for a minute, in for a bout. Right, huh?
Very fun.
No, we haven't lost anybody.
Kenny, I think your car got horned. Where is it?
Thank you so much for having us out here, the very first cattle drive. And what was it like? What was it right like?
Oh, it's exciting. Unbelievable. Cattle everywhere. Crossing the river.
Go ahead, cowboy. Hey, Barry. How you doing, Barry?
We had a wonderful roundup this morning. A wonderful. Next year, downtown Del Mar, baby.
Thank you very much. We're going to head them out and have steak and eggs.
Breakfast T-bone. Yeah. There you go. Breakfast of champions, especially on the cattle drive. You guys enjoy. There you go.
One more time, man.
Hey, 33 riders, 150 head of cattle, and a whole lot of fun. Did you smell the fun at the San Diego County Fair? Yeehaw! Thanks for coming out. We had a wonderful morning.